Welcome to Simote Agri-Rice. We are based in Simote, and we are going to teach you based on the current progress we have. And this section you're seeing was potato, that is potato plus beans intercropped together with pak chong. And this is actually day 27. So we are doing the healing, ridging, and that aids in preventing the greening of the potato tubers. And also it serves to prevent the falling of the plants, potato plants, in the event of a strong wind or a windy rainfall event. So this is a small portion of land. This is a small portion of land under potatoes within the Napier field. Actually less than a point, about half a point. And we did the ridging in about 1 hour. That is ridging come weeding for the potatoes, for the Napier grass, sorry. This is a bean field. This is a field we planted beans. This was day 27. And at this stage beans were beginning to turn yellow. That could be insufficient nitrogen, and we had to apply CN. This is our field of kales, kales, Sukuma, wiki, and then cabbages. This was day 27 as well, and during this day we did the weeding. Later that evening we applied CAN because we were seeing some leaves turning yellow as well. The land is a bit barren or has low fertility. This bed you're seeing has our black nightshade. Is weak, and they are doing quite well. At this end you are seeing our F1 kales, Sukuma wiki. So that was F1 kales, and that is across the fence, and this is the ladder we used to cross over the field. Now that we list some some piece of land adjacent to ours. And in this area we can see we planted cabbages. Actually the same day we planted the kales, the cabbages, and the Sukuma wiki on the other piece of land. But comparatively the ones in our field or in our land is growing quite faster. So this area has I don't know the name for this plant, but it is sarach. So this chicken, free range chicken, that was our cock. These our chicks, the 3 patches we talked about earlier. The first one currently is at 67 days. Actually these videos are mixed up. We are back in our field. Here you are planting beans and maize in the area adjacent to the beans and the kales and the least piece of land, and you're planting using manure, that is a sheep manure. We intercropped maize and beans. So you want to see we chose the manure because the first time actually we did the planting we used CAN, and it was a dismal performance. So that's why this time around we decided to try the manure way, and we believe we'll be monitoring the progress together. So we believe we'll be able to get something better this time. So the far end is the kales I showed you earlier, the kales, the Sukuma wiki, and some few cabbages. At the end or at the edge our maize. Those they were supposed to be haraka maize, that is hybrid, normally fast maturing in around 4 months, but this is the 5th month and counting. So it delayed in maturing, probably due to the low fertility in the land. But you're seeing there are beans and then our pak chong. We are pre-wilting, that is we cut the pak chong, pre-wilt it for a day or 2, that we can feed our sheep on pak chong with low water content, which is actually better because they can be able to feed on more that is, they can be able to derive more nutritional value with the less water. These are potatoes, our kale, sorry, our sukuma wiki, and then our cabbages. At the far end was black nightshade. Here on this piece you can see here we planted beans. That is why we planted beans and maize. We are back to our beans area. Yes, so after we did the CAN application, at least they began turning green once again. So next time we'll be able to apply the top dressing fertilizer early enough to prevent what we went through. This is our area, these are the black nightshade. This is the first time as well we are planting this, and I planted using manure. So that is it, guys. Kindly subscribe, kindly like, and then share this video. Thank you.